Why are we where we are today? We complain about apartheid and we actually misunderstood what the assignment was about. Apart, we are meant to be kept apart from God as the black people of Abraham, his descendants that were in KwaZulu Natal. Before they had Natal and there was KwaZulu, we have Royal Natal National Park and other parks, Pine Town, the pine tree, the same pine made out of the Christmas tree. I guess you can see where I'm going. The reason why sihlupheka asihluthekiswa ingcinezelo kuba sahlukaniswa noNkulunkulu ukuze sophule isivumelwano. We broke the covenant with God. What we call the culture, which is the covenant, and that so-called culture exists in the Bible. Ukubhatala ilobola, ukwaluka, initiation, taking care of your brother's children when his wife dies. It's not a culture, it was a covenant. Ngendlela ekubhalwe ngayo, yindlela siphila ngayo. Sohlukana because we said we want to live the Western life, not knowing ukuthi we are sinning. Singabangoni kuba akumelanga basone, and we kept on breaking the covenant. And we lost our wealth, our spiritual wealth. It's not a coincidence that the apartheid was instituted in 1948, the very same year that the fake Israel was created in the Middle East. I had a vision where I was given a gold coin by an Arabic man from the Middle East. And I was also told that we've killed the demon and we've received the inheritance of 1,765. That will be known exactly what that means. So phula isivumelwano. And there are three parties here. Umuntu omnyama, umlungu, ngama-Arab. But they brought umlungu to do the work for the Arab so that this black child doesn't see the true enemy. If the true holders of the wealth, being abelungu, Israel in the Middle East, would belong to abelungu. They had to send them and the elite that they had to form the Middle Eastern regions. That sounds so biblical. In an effort to deceive us, singayiboni inyani. And in doing so, we are pointing at the wrong person. Yes, sure, they had to do the work. The very same people whose values, apparent values, are aligned with the Bible, and doesn't matter if they call it Quran or whatever, they abide, or they try to abide by the covenant. They don't eat pork, just like how we are supposed to not eat pork. Spiritually, I was also informed about that. In this vision, I was braaiing the pork, and the grandma she kept on saying to me, "Look at the worms." I kept braaiing it. I would put it back on the fire, and I would still see worms. And it doesn't matter how many times I was braaiing it. Ndicela sivuke. Mninzi umsebenzi kumele siwenzile. We were given condoms, not because they cared, because they know that if we keep on sinning, sleeping around, we will lose the spiritual protection. They encouraged us to do abortion, not because they cared, because they wanted us to sin and to lose the spiritual protection and inheritance. They wanted us to care about individualism and kill communism so that we can keep on sinning. The covenant says that we must live in communities. We must care for one another. You must take care of your brother and your sister, and if they die, you take care of their children. So I want us to think about our spiritual status and ngendlela esaphula ngayo isivumelwano. Indlela kumele siphile ngayo kumele ichintshe, sivuke inyani siyibone. We will keep crying sisithi uNkulunkulu uphi. uNkulunkulu is here, has been here and never left us. We are the ones who kicked ourselves out of the Garden of Eden. We are the ones who kicked ourselves out of the promised land. My mission is to gather the tribes of Israel and bring them back to the promised land.